Well, sanibonani. Unibingelelayo, uthula Sizwe Kankabinde. Nginibingelela ngikhona lapha eKQ Records of Salvation Studio. Lapho sinengosi yethu entsha namhlanje. Lapho sivula khona i-podcast series yethu entsha. Lapho sithi khona singumkhonto wabasebenzi, the spear of workers. Siza nama real life experiences of cases we've been working on, assisting our fellow brothers and sisters abasebenza kanzima ngaphansi kwezimo ezinzima kakhulu emisebenzini lapho besebenza khona. So we have conducted countless of case review statements for them in order to be able to have a clear roadmap to assist them the right way. Okay. Njengamanje ngizocela nje ukuthi ke nginichazele kabanzi ngokubaleka kwe-case review report okuyiyona esiqala ngayo ngaso sonke isikhathi uma kungukuthi ke sizolekelela umsebenzi oza nenkinga abhekene nayo emsebenzini. Okay, case review statement, it's very much important. Abake baxhumana ne-spear of workers for assistance, they are familiar with this term and they know ukuthi every time before we start conducting any assistance, we tell them that we need to conduct a thorough case review statement, si analyze i-case yabo A up to Z. So now I am here to ensure that all our audience understand what is the case review analysis and why is it important. Okay, I have this document right here. I'll be reading it through. Okay, ngizoqala nje. Why a case review matters. With a spear of workers, a case review helps to understand the full truth. We listen to your story so we don't act on incomplete information. We check your documents and evidence, like warnings, contracts, messages, payslips, and records can change the strength of a case. We identify legal violations. Not every workplace problem is illegal. We must see what rights were actually violated. We avoid mistakes. Wrong steps taken too early can weaken a worker's case. We build a strong action plan. A clear strategy gives you a high chance of success. A simple truth. Acting fast is good, but acting correct is better. A case review protects you from emotional decisions and ensure every step is lawful and smart. And we always conduct case review statements and send those reports after conducting them with a small fee, which is just a 50 Rand contribution. So anyone, if you know there's something you don't understand that is going on in your workplace, you can just contact us. Tell us what is going on. Let us assist you to analyze the problem you are facing so that you are not taking the steps blindly. This is why the case review report is very important, that we conduct it first before we start assisting you on the case.